So if you're going to be culturing any bacteria, you'll often be asked to make up either agar or broth solutions. So I'm just going to show you how to firstly make up the agar ready for autoclaving. So select the agar that is most relevant to the bacteria you're growing. So nutrient agar has a range of different nutrients and will work for most bacteria. And on the side of any agar jar or broth, it will tell you how many grams to add per litre. So if I was to make up a litre of agar, I would have to add 28 grams. I'm going to make up 400 millilitres in the bottle, so 2.8 in 100 millilitres and just multiply it by 4. So I'm going to measure out 11.2 grams. That's 11.2 grams. And then I find it easier to add the water to the powder. So I'll just add the powder into the jar, bottle. And I've already measured out 2 times 200 millilitres of water. You have to use deionized water. Add it in. You can see the agar powder settles on the bottom. So just keep giving it a good shake. You will get a bit of frothing at the top, so just let it sit for a couple of seconds. So that's now it's mixed. And then before I put it, so this has to be autoclaved or heated to 121 degrees for 15 minutes, and that activates the agar, so it will actually form a solid once it's come out of the autoclave. Before it goes into an autoclave, just give it a slight release, and so the lid's a bit loose, just to stop the pressure build up breaking the glass. But that's now good for me to sterilize.